Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 23rd August 2021 and the day is Monday. This is your English language period. Today we are going to continue the story in the garden. Previously we learned that Kipper went into Chip's room and he picked up the magic key and the keys began to glow. And he ran to outside and looked for Biff and Chip, and they all are playing in the garden in the sandpit with a toy car. Okay, and Wilf and Wilma with them. Biff was cross and she said that get to the magic house, but it was too late and the magic began to work. The children got smaller and smaller, and the grass was grass and everything looked big. And the grass was like a jungle. Chip saw a bumblebee and he didn't like the bumblebee. So the children come out of the jungle. They came out to a mountain and they all began to climb. When they get to the top, they look at the sand. The sand is look like a desert. Now they saw a toy car, and Wilma said that let's get inside and ride down. And they ride down to the desert. Now start from page number 13. Whoosh! The car took them down the mountain. It's a fun, said Wilma. See, they are going down from the mountain. The car stopped in the sand. The children climbed out. Oh no, said Wilf. Look at the big cat. Look at that big cat. See? The children climbed inside a bottle. Kipper was frightened. I don't like this, he said. See? They all go inside they all climb inside the bottle because they are afraid with cat. The cat looked inside the bottle. It pushed it with its paw. See, this is called paw. Go away, cat, shouted Kipper. Shoo! Everyone yelled. Yell means shout. Floppy chased the cat away. The children climbed out of the bottle. Good old Floppy, said Griff. And then Floppy is the name of a dog. Floppy chased the cat and the children come out from the bottle. Okay. They walked over the desert. Everyone felt hot. Everyone felt very hot. I want a drink, said Kipper. They walked over the desert and everyone get tired and everyone feel thirsty. Look, said Wilf, giant strawberries. The children ran to eat them. I love strawberries, said Chip. So do I, said Wilf. So they all see the strawberries, okay, and the children ran to eat them. And Chip said that I love it, and Wilf also said that he also loves strawberries. The children ate the strawberry. They pulled off big lumps. Kipper licked his lips. I like this adventure now, he said. The children ate the strawberries, and Kipper licked his lips. It began to rain. What big drops, said Wilma. I feel sick now, said Kipper. So do I, said Chip. So what happened? It began to rain and big drops. And what big drops, said Wilma, and Kipper feel and Chip feel, they both feel tired because they ate a lot now. The children ran into a giant flower pot to hid under it. The key began to glow. So the children ran to a giant flower pot. Giant means big, as I told you before, and they hide under it. Okay. So what will happen when they hide under it? The key began to glow. So the magic was over. I can't see, said Chip. He had the flower pot on his head. I like the hat, said Wilma. So when they hid under the flower pot, so the key began to glow and the magic was over. Previously they become smaller and smaller. Now they become in their own original size. So So Chip said that I can't see because the flower pot on his head. I like the hat, said Wilma. Dad looked at his strawberries. I don't know, he said. There must be giant slugs around here. Dad looked at the strawberries and he said that there must be giant slugs around here, means some big insects around here, because he was amazed at what happened to his strawberry or who ate it. Okay, this is the story of In the Garden. For today till here. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.